always cough. Why does coughing exist? Like, who made coffee? Ugh. You know what? I'm going by slow motion. Huh? That's it. Okay, time to sit and watch some Swag Lord K. Hey, guys, if you don't know what Swag Lord K, he's a Rivals Pro. So you gotta type K. You gotta type KAYE. Hello, guys. Today I'm playing still a Brainrot, but everything will be me. Okay, that's an epic. And what do you mean? Oh. And I might just get some water. Ow, my head. This life sucks. Life sucks. Life sucks all the time. I need to not die, cause I don't want to die, cause I died like 1,000,000 times. Who are you? Who? Yep, brother, I'm home. What did you do to my brother? I would accidentally accept that, and I would do this. I'm sorry to break it to you, man, but that should not exist. I got deleted. Bro, okay, I'm coming back. Who's this guy? Why did he kill my brother, though? Now do not look at me. I got to show your eye. Brother, I won't let that slide. That's this freaking brick. I need to heal him by my magical syringe. He might be alive. Brother, did you save me? Yes, I did. Thanks, bro. Thanks. No problem, bro. We always be brothers. Okay, 6. Hogs. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the supermarket, okay? Okay. You gotta watch some TV, okay? Okay. And I won't let you die, okay? And I won't let myself die, because I'm scared you might get hurt. Brother! I need his gun. I need his gun. I need his gun. You little idiot who killed my favorite little brother. Yeah, I am a monster, and this guy should not exist. And I broke your floor. What are you gonna do about it? I saw you kill my little friend. Well, I don't care. You broke my only friend. How you hit metal? That's just none of your business. I don't feel so well. Bro, who made this feature? Why is everyone dying at an emergency podcast? I should go in the house. Yo, why is everything tilted and dead? I need to grab this. Why is everyone dead? I think there's a man down me, might kill me, and now make me suffer. What?